Hey, Bob's, check it out. Don't you get it? The fishing rod's my cock!
Rick, it's not funny. I'm trying to work here, okay?
Well, let's go down to the cheeseburger picnic and get drunk and fuck with Randy.
What?
Let's get drunk, do some drugs, and go to the cheeseburger picnic and fuck around with Randy.
Rick, I can't hear you.
Well, I can hear you.
Julian, the vacuum cleaner's my cock.
Come on, Julian, that's funny. Lighten up.
Rick, I'm trying to work.
You want anything down at the store? I'm getting chips pop in the bar.
No, I'm cool, Bubs.
How'd you hear him?
I was reading his lips, Ricky.
Well, read these lips, Julian. I'm getting drunk as fuck. I'm doing drugs, and I'm going down to the cheeseburger picnic, and I am fucking with Randy. Make my words. You don't think that's funny? What about this, Julian? Banging Frosty the fucking Snowman. That's not funny? You gotta chill out, man.